Now that the heat of summer is here, you may find it difficult to keep cool outside. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a warm weather solution right after this.
Get ready for your 4th of July festivities with the help of today's homeowner. We're giving away a $100 Home Depot gift card to help you gear up for the 4th. Whether you'll be hosting a blowout party or celebrating a family barbecue, this giveaway is for you. Upgrade your backyard with the perfect grill accessories. Hang some party lights or pick up some fans to keep cool during the holiday. You can't win if you don't enter. So visit todayshomeowner.com/giveaway and enter today.
One way to cool off when the temperatures soar is with a misting system. These things work on the principle of evaporative cooling. When water evaporates, it uses energy or heat, which leaves the area around it cooler. Combine that cooling effect with a little shade, and you can really get comfortable. There are simple do-it-yourself misting systems that work on ordinary household water pressure and can be installed in under an hour. Surprisingly, they don't use as much water as you might think. There are patio umbrellas that come fitted with misting nozzles, so all you have to do is connect a water hose. The limitations is that these things only cool a small area, and they tend to be most effective when the humidity is low. But even when the humidity is as high as 80%, they do offer some summer heat relief. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.